Hi friends, you have many skills and you want to post that skills on YouTube and you don't have knowledge how to create a YouTube channel and how to post a video on YouTube, and now you are in the right place and I'm going to here to share how to create YouTube channel, and I'm going to give you a guide step by step. Just follow the step and watch the video till the end. First, what you have to do is that just go to Chrome and search youtube.com. Let's hit enter key from the keyboard, then sign in with your Gmail account, right? If you don't know how to create Gmail account, and I will give the link in the description box to create a Gmail account. Okay, just go that and follow this step by step and create a Gmail account first. Then after, just sign in the Gmail account from here, and then I'm going to create from this Gmail, and then after here you have to type your password of Gmail and click next, and this is the verification because I have turned on two-step verifications. So yes, now I have logged in the YouTube. After login YouTube, what you have to do is that you have to click this profile, and then you have to go this YouTube stereo. Now you have been directed to the YouTube stereo, and here in the left side you can find our setting. Just click the settings, and then after go to the channel and click advanced setting, scroll down and you can find out here manage YouTube account. Just click that, and here you can find out create a new channel. Just click here and you can set your name, picture and your YouTube handle, right? I am going to type your name, Sumi Vlogs, and this is the handle, and you can just customize yourself. Okay, clicked select, and you can just upload pictures here or Google Dish. I'm going to upload from here books reading, just this one, and you can manage like this and click done. Now here you can find out create a channel. Just click that, and it's creating a channel. I can find out Sumi Lama Blogs, and then header Sumi Lama Blogs, and like this, and again go to this icon, and again go to the YouTube studio, or we can go just you can back click here, and now you have to go to the general setting, and you have to select here which types of payment you want. I'm going to choose USD, US dollar, and go to channel, and you have to enter here some basic info, country of residence. You have to select here the country, select your country, and you can some keywords of your channel. What types of video are you going to upload here? You just enter some keywords here. I'm going to type here the daily vlogs, comma vlogs with family, comma baby vlogs, like this, and click save, and then again go to setting and go to channel advanced, and here you can find out, do you want to set your channel as made for kids, and you can choose this. I want to review this setting every video, and you can link, ads account, automation caption. If you don't show all potential inappropriate words, then just click here. Advertisement, you can disable interest based ads here. Clips, allow viewers to clip my content. Just uncheck this like this. Okay. Then a third-party training, allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel. Okay, you can manage like this, right? Now go to feature usability. Standard feature, you have to upload or create playlist and collaborate with the new video playlist. And here one is that intermediate features, videos over 15 minutes, custom and thumbnails and live stream. And here you have to verify your mobile number, and you have to set mobile number here. And they will send code here. Code on the mobile number 727786 727786 727786, and click submit. Okay, phone number verified, and then just go to the back again to the YouTube and go to setting and go to channel PC usability, and now you can upload over 15 minutes custom thumbnails and live stream like this. An advanced feature is increased daily video uploads and live stream. Eligibility for monetization. And here you have to video verification is needed, or valid ID or channel history. The best is video verification is very easy. You can access from this feature. Okay. Again, go to setting and upload details, and you can type here some basic info. Add title that describes your video, and you can set visibility. Okay, this is the fur. You can choose this setting while you're uploading the video, and go to advanced, and you can just manage all this while uploading the video. Permission, role owner, and these are the some managing moderators, standard, agent, or you can block some keywords which you don't like, or block links. You can set here. Agreements. Okay, these are the basic setting you have to manage while creating your YouTube account. Then after, the third process is that you have to go to here customizations. In customizations, you can upload the banner for your YouTube channel, and you can set your logo or your photo here, and This is the handle. Now this is Llama01 and our survival here, so that I'm going to add here like this, and you can video watermark, just you can upload like this. Okay, publish. I'll just you to create YouTube banner and YouTube logo from the Canva. Okay, Canva is very easy to use. Just click the publish. Go to the dashboard, and this is the handle, and this is your YouTube name, and you can click your YouTube channel. Just click create and you can upload video like this. Select video and you can select video, just click that and upload, and here you have to type title and your descriptions, and here is the thumbnail, and you have to create a playlist here. Okay, then after select the axis, and this is the no made for kids, and do not restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Okay, then after this and you have to hear tags, some tags of your video, and next, and you can import here. Okay, subtitle, add cards, server, and screen. Then this is the copyright check option. If you're uploading, check copyright. If there is copyright, do not upload video. And this is the visibility, and you can choose the public and publish, and after your video will be published and loaded into the YouTube, right? And this is the very nice process how to create YouTube channel in your computer. How you can just follow the same method in your mobile phone also, and you can create a YouTube channel very easily. Okay friends, I hope you like this videos, and if you like this video, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep supporting me.